Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, both majored and minored in math, Valvo. And today we're talking about something that just makes me smile. The order of operations. See, I just can't not. We'll begin our story about order of operations with this simple question. How would you evaluate 4 plus 3 times 2? Well, you might say that's easy. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 times 2 is 14. Done. But then someone else might say, well, hold up. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, so it's actually 10. Well, what gives? What's the actual answer? Here's where the order of operations come in. We've talked before about how expressions are like a math phrase written in a math language. But unlike every other language I know of, the math language comes with a very precise set of grammar rules that allow